Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Wash your palms with lukewarm water and a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser, keeping the wash under 1 minute to avoid stripping oils. Once done, pat dry, do not rub, so the skin stays slightly damp. Next, apply about 1/4 teaspoon of a thick emollient cream, focusing on creases and the sides of your palms. Massage until it absorbs. This begins rehydration and restores the lipid barrier, which is essential to prevent immediate tightness and flaking. You now move into deeper repair. Once weekly, gently exfoliate using a soft sugar scrub for 30 to 60 seconds to remove dead skin. Rinse and pat dry. After exfoliation, apply a humectant serum containing glycerin to draw moisture into the skin, then seal with a thicker occlusive cream. Make this part of your nightly routine. Put on cotton-lined gloves for 15 to 30 minutes to boost absorption, and make sure to repeat moisturizing every morning and after hand washing to maintain repair. You finish by protecting the work. Trim nails to avoid catching skin and use dish gloves with liners when handling detergents or solvents. If you notice deep cracks or bleeding, stop exfoliation and switch to plain petrolatum applied multiple times daily. Cover at night. If irritation, worsening pain, spreading redness, or signs of infection appear, seek medical evaluation. Make sure to monitor progress. If there's no meaningful improvement after 2 weeks of
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.